SOLIDWORKS 2019 introduces some great new capabilities that not only improve the user experience, but increase your daily productivity. Providing quick access to your designs, the Welcome page now lists up to 100 of your recently opened documents. Each document is displayed with its own preview, and the new Quick filter can be used to refine the list by displaying only parts, assemblies, or drawings. A couple of modifications to the blue camera assembly are required to finish its design. Typing the word camera in the new Filter by Name dialog is now all that's necessary to find and open the desired assembly in a matter of seconds. Building relationships between features and parts is a powerful method of capturing design intent. SOLIDWORKS 2019 makes it even easier to view and manage external references. References can now be broken or locked when dynamically viewing parent-child relations from the Feature Manager. When using a top-down approach to design, assemblies can consist of many parts, each containing numerous external references. The references for an entire assembly can now be viewed and managed in a new interactive dialog box. Each component containing one or more references is listed, along with each individual feature, its status, and a referenced entity. Simplifying things further, parts can be viewed independently by selecting the Isolate option. In this example, the rear baffle plate. As each reference is selected from the list, its related geometry is highlighted in the graphics area. The circular pattern is shown to be referencing a cylindrical face of the rear mount flange component. Instead, we want it to reference the outer face of the plate. Selecting the Break option removes the relation from the circular pattern. Now the direction reference for the pattern can be redefined by simply editing the feature. SOLIDWORKS 2019 makes managing complex relationships between features and parts easier than ever. One more modification is required to finish the design. The counterweight for the camera requires at least 50 millimeters of clearance between the flange and the body. To increase the overall distance will reduce the thickness of the flange. Now in SOLIDWORKS 2019, the Measure tool can be accessed at any time, providing a seamless, uninterrupted workflow, whether you're modifying a dimension or editing a feature. Reducing the flange thickness to 4 millimeters ensures that the counterweight will now fit, and the design changes are complete. With these new capabilities, SOLIDWORKS 2019 makes your everyday user experience even more productive.